If you've lost access to your DoorDash account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Visit the DoorDash login page. Go to the official DoorDash website or open the DoorDash app. Click on the login option to start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your DoorDash account. This is necessary for DoorDash to send you your password reset link. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from DoorDash with instructions to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Secure your account. After resetting your password, log into your account and update your security settings. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your DoorDash account and enhance its security. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer support for further assistance.